Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through a complete guide to fixing Parsec Error 6023. If you are having trouble connecting, don't worry, I'll cover all the possible solutions, so let's get started. First up, the classic fix. Restart everything. Sometimes a simple reboot can clear up the connection issue. Restart both the host and client computers. Restart the routers on both ends if possible. This can often resolve small network issues or refresh your IP, which might just do the trick. Next, make sure Parsec isn't being blocked by your firewall. Here's how to check this on Windows. Press Windows key plus R to open the run window. Type control-firewall.cpl and hit enter. Click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings and find Parsec in the list. To ensure both private and public checkboxes are checked, click OK to save. If you want to rule out the firewall entirely, you can temporarily disable it by selecting Turn Windows Defender on or off. In the sidebar are turning off the firewall, just remember to turn it back on once you confirm it isn't the issue. Avoid double router setups. If your home has multiple routers, this can also cause issues. For example, if you have a second router plugged into the main one from your internet provider, it can block Parsec connection. So what you can do, connect directly to the primary router if possible. If that's not an option, set the secondary router to access point. If you are on Mac OS 15, you might need to allow Parsec to access your local network. First, open system settings, go to privacy and security, select local network, make sure Parsec is enabled, restart the Parsec app. Another common issue is being behind carrier grade NAT. This can prevent direct connections. Here's how to check. Press Windows key plus R, type this address and press enter. Look at the IP addresses in the window. If you see any in these ranges, you might have this issue. If you find matching IPs, you will need to request a public IP from your internet provider to resolve this. And if the previous steps didn't help, you might need to configure your router. Make sure your device has a static IP address if possible. Consider using hybrid NAT if you are on pfSense or OPNsense. If you are using a VPN, it might be the problem. VPNs can add latency or block connections. Add an exception for parsec.exe in your VPN settings. Disable the VPN temporarily to see if it resolves the issue. If you have tried all these steps and still can connect, it might be time to reach out the Parsec support on your IT item. If you are on a corporate network, networking can be complex, but hopefully this guide has helped you get a bit closer to a solution. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tech fixes and tips. Happy gaming and see you in the next one.